Hey guys, I thought I would just do a reply message to some of the people that responded to this issue and say how it was resolved. So it didn't actually have anything to do with Dynamesh or with the UVs, but it's actually just the projection space that it's operating in for the noisemaker. So as you can see here, it's still got that line there, and even if I go to this like simplified topology that doesn't have Dynamesh on it, if I use the noise here, um, you can see that that line is still there. However, if I move it, um, if I move it just over to the left here, you can see that the actual issue that I was having, it no longer is affecting the model anymore. So if anyone else has this issue, I hope that resolves it for you. You just have to move it, you have to translate it in the X, whichever direction, forever, however long, until the projection it no longer affects it.